Alright, so in this video, I want to show you some of the things that you've been doing totally wrong that may be hurting your investment or your portfolio in the crypto space. So in this space, there are a whole lot of things that if you're a beginner, you do them, you may end up losing money instead of actually making money, which is the aim of you coming into this space. But before I go ahead to do that, let's just look at the market today. You can see Bitcoin right now is around 123,000. Ethereum is around 4,500. XRP is dancing around 2.99, which is around $3. And then BNB hit a new all-time high at 1,002 something. You can see it right there. Also, Bitcoin made a new all-time high at $125,000. Solana is also green. You can see it right there. So Solana is around 230 something dollars. You can see it very well from the market that the market is still exciting. The market is moving well as expected. Now, let me just go over to the things that you should not be doing as a trader or as an investor, because if you continue to do all of those things, you may not make money from this market. You will be losing money in this market. Number one thing you should avoid is FOMO. Now, most of us FOMO a lot into the market. A lot of people do this in the market, and this is not healthy. In the market, you are not supposed to just jump in because the product or the pair is going up or the crypto is going up. No, if you do that, you will end up just buying coins that you're not supposed to buy, investing in shit coins that you're not supposed to invest in, simply because you feel, oh, someone is talking about it, or one of the two things is happening, or the coin is pumping up. That's not the time for you to buy. That is the time for you to actually do your own due diligence by doing your own research. That's why people say do your own research before buying any coin. And if you FOMO into a project, it now brings you to what we call buying at the top and selling at the bottom, which is a very wrong move that a lot of beginners make. So lots of people, instead of waiting it out, being patient, are buying at the bottom, selling at the top. You will see them buying at the top and then selling at the bottom. How do I mean? Now you see somebody buying a coin that has gone up at the top, and then because the coin start dumping and everybody start dumping the coin on you, it's no longer going up. At the end of the day, you get frustrated and you sell it at the bottom. You don't want to do that. So avoid FOMO, because FOMO leads to buying at the top and selling at the bottom. And also avoid buying at the top and selling at the bottom. It's very, very wrong. Instead, wait it out. Be patient with your coins, be patient with the investment. If you see that the coin is up, wait. If it doesn't come down for you to buy, avoid that one, leave that one. There are lots of coins in the market. There are thousands of coins right here that you can choose from. So instead of chasing one that has moved and has left, just hold on, wait, do your research on other ones, and look for a good coin that you can buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Now, another thing also that you should avoid as a beginner or as a trader is to avoid following hype men or influencers. Lots of these influencers are not here because they want you to make money. You should understand that majority of them are here to dump their bags on you. So what they do, once they finish buying or they see that they bought into a project and the project is not doing well, they'll come to the space and then they start sharing those coins. They start selling those coins and start telling you about it, start pushing lots of narrative about it, and then before you know, people start buying these coins. And once people start buying, what happens is that they keep dumping those coins, those projects on those people. So do not just jump into a coin because one crypto influencer or one influencer is talking about it. That is not the right way to invest in project. Even though an influencer talks about a project, what you're supposed to do is to do your own research about the project. So avoid. Right now, I've mentioned three things. Avoid FOMOing into the market. Avoid buying at the top and selling at the bottom. Avoid following influencers because they will lead you astray. Most influencers will lead you astray. I'm just telling you the truth, and that is what it is, because they want to sell their bags to you. Then the fourth word you should avoid is avoid trending projects. Now, the reason why I said avoid trending project is because trending projects are not the projects that have come to make money for you. Most of the trending projects you see in the market are projects that the CTO, the devs, the codes, and all of those people, they have distributed tokens to themselves. And what they do with it for it to trend is that they go ahead and look for people who will help them promote this coin, who will help them talk about this project. And then once people start talking about the project starts trending. They'll talk about it in CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter. Before you know, the project start trending and you see it trending coin. Now when you check those trending coin, majority of them, they are already up. Most of them, the price are already up. So avoid them. Avoid investing in such project, because when you buy those trending coins, chances are as you're buying, they will be dumping it on you. And at the end of the day, you will be waiting for the coin to go up because you bought, and then you see that the coin is no longer going up. They've sold their bags and then they have moved on onto another project. And then the last but not the least, which is the fifth one, avoid investing in a coin that has 90, or let's say above 30% of the top 10 holders holding it, or let's say 50% of top 10 holders. So if you look at a coin in the market and you see that top 10 holders of that project are holding over 50% of the coin, that is one. Or you see that a coin has more FDV than the current market cap. Let's say the FDV is like 5 times the current market cap. Avoid such project. The reason I said avoid such project is that the FDV, let me see, okay, let me open Bitcoin. Okay, so let me just use Bitcoin as a case study for this. Now, if you look at Bitcoin right here, you can see the FDV. In some places, it's called FDV. Here, it's called FDMC. That is fully diluted market cap, right? And then this is the main market cap. So in some coin, look at this now. The main market cap is 2.47. The FDV is 2.6, right? So the difference is not much. Now, in some coins, you will see that, for instance, the main market cap will be like 10 million, and then the FDMC is around 100 million or 150 million. It does not make sense. It does not add up. It only means that there are lots of heavy investors, or the devs, or the codes, or the CTOs. They are holding more of the coins, you get, and they are waiting for the price to come up so that they can actually dump it on you. So avoid those kind of coins. Do not invest in such coins, because when you invest in such projects, you may not make money from it. So guys, I believe I have told you all the things that you should avoid when investing in any project or when buying into crypto. One, avoid FOMO. Don't FOMO into the market. Two, avoid buying at the top and selling at the bottom, right? Then three, avoid trending coins. Four, avoid coins that are being called by influencers. And then the fifth one, avoid coins that the FDMC is way higher than the current market cap. So all of these things, you should avoid doing them. Focus on projects that are down. Focus on projects that you can invest in and have peace of mind when the market starts trending and you make good money from it. Alright guys, I believe that this will help you become better investors and also help you become successful in the crypto space. If you love this kind of video, then do well to follow this channel, and also join my Telegram channel where I drop lots of tips that will help you become successful in the crypto space. Just search for Blockchain Plus in Telegram and you will join us, or use the link in bio to join my Telegram channel. Alright, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.